Hi, I am Girija. My team members are Amarnath and Gayatri, and our mentor is Mr. Shabrinath. Our project title is Physically Regulated Operating Suit Lift, and we are coming from Ishwari Engineering College, Ramapuram, Chennai. The main objective of our project is to improve the prosthetic structure, balancing the control, and to improve the degree of freedom. Let us now explain the hardware component of the project. This is the surface EMG electrodes, which is used to detect the signals from the muscle fibers. The signals from the muscle fibers can be detected with the help of these electric cables. There are three terminals in this cable, in which the red and yellow will be the reference electrodes, and the ground electrode will be the black one. This cables is then fitted into the surface EMG electrodes, and then it is get placed in the transfemoral muscle of the leg. As I said earlier, the muscle sensor with the electrodes is fitted into the transfemoral muscle, and the ground electrode is fitted like this. The signals which are detected from the muscle fiber will be sent into this muscle sensor. This is a muscle sensor board version 3.0. The signals which is analyzed from the muscle sensor will be displayed with the help of Atmega 328 microcontroller in Arduino board. Now we will be seeing the signals. This is a raw signal which is detected from the muscle sensor. There is a noise which will be presented in the signals. We have to reduce this noise signals with the help of a filter. We are using an FIR filter to reduce this noise.
You can see whenever my leg position is moved, I can able to generate different datas. Okay, with this muscle movement you can see these datas as a curve in my PC, and with these movements I can able to do different data analysis. With this data analysis and also with this data curve, I can able to modify the program such a way that to perform my task.
Let us go for the working of our project. This is our project prototype. The signal which is sensed from the electrode will be get sensed by muscle sensor version 3.0. The signal from the muscle sensor will be sent to the Atmega 328 microcontroller of the Arduino board. Then the signal will be analyzed with the help of a servo motor in the prototype. This servo motor will be get action with the help of the movement of the leg. There will be a two movement, one will be the flexion movement and another one will be the extension movement. When the servo motor is at 0 degree, the flexion movement will be get displaced, and when the servo motor is at 90 degree, the extension movement will be get displaced. When the servo motor is at 90 degree, the extension movement will be get displayed. At the same time, when the servo motor is at 0 degree, the flexion movement will be get displayed.
In this demo, whenever human starts walking with the right leg, then automatically left leg starts move. Okay, yeah, here you can see if my one leg is moving forward, then automatically the second leg moves backward. Again, if I am moving backward, then the another leg is moved forward. Then the process is gets continued accordingly. Here you can see the result again and again and again with this muscle movement and the accelerometer value. Yeah, you can see it, right? And these data are calibrated to my PC, and hence to control the entire system. And also you can see the entire system in a long view, and also yeah, you can see my leg movement up and down and up and down. So accordingly, my robot starts moving, and here you can see the videos accordingly. And here I placed the accelerometer to calibrate the x-axis y-axis parameter. Whenever my leg is moved to the right side or left side, then these things are all move. The robot starts also moving in right side and left side. Yeah, you can see it in my demo also. And yeah, clearly if I moves towards the right side, and here also I'm moving towards the upward, then my motor starts moving, so that my leg starts moving upward. Whenever I move up, it goes up, and when I move down, it goes down. If the process still continue, depends upon the
In
signal
recent
variation.
years, the number of amputated persons increasing gradually due to various factors like accidents, trauma, surgery, etc. When a person gets a limb amputated, he or she will face a staggering lifestyle. They will depend on others for their work and they feel discomfort whenever they do their work. The developed limb can also be made simple by designing the model as it looks like a human. The EMG sensors can also be replaced with an implanted myoelectric sensor because its cost is low and its lifetime is about 80 years. And also the replacement of sensors as such of right now is also be the two strong reasons for our project to win this competition is it helps the people to have awareness about the developed and latest technologies in prosthetic care, and it also helps the poor people to make it useful in their day-to-day life. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to present ourselves in Handful India's Best Academic Project organized by CrazyEngineers.com.
And also we extend our thanks to our mentor P. Shabrinath and Mr. Dr. Suresh, and the valuable support from our HOD Dr. S. Sudha,